everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with my next Country Craft Creation Design Team project. And this is using the Photoplay Here Comes Santa collection and the Photoplay patterns and solids for the Photoplay Solids Plus for the Santa Here Comes Santa collection. And I will link everything that I use down below. And again, this is countrycraftcreations.com. So please feel free to join me. There will be a tutorial for this. I will start uploading it Sunday. And it should be done by no later than next Wednesday, as long as there's no more than 4 parts. So yeah, so let's get started. So in the book I use 3 of each of the pattern paper, two each of the pattern solid paper, but I used pattern paper in everything. This is a large mini. It measures 8.5 by 9.5 with a 2-inch spine. And when I came up with this idea, I thought that it would be perfect for little fingers. So it's a big album that would be good for little fingers, or perhaps elderly fingers where you can't do a lot of intricate tucking and folding and tying and such. So let me show you. This is all I have left of my paper. So there is not very much there. And I'll probably make some cards out of those. If I do, I'll share that with you. And of course I have to make some Christmas cards. And let's get started. The front, I made it simple. There's no tuck spots or anything, but of course you could, if you wanted, make a pocket here. I used one of the microchip boards and then just some black enamel dots. The inside cover I left blank, which would be good for a big picture or a couple of smaller pictures, and then some journaling. There are 4-page designs in this, and the first page has a side pocket with a tag or a pull-out mat. It folds open, and then there's a side pocket on that same fold, and then another big spot to put a picture. Every page has a large pull-out mat that is fairly simple to get in and out. It's a 1/4 inch. It's a 1/4 inch smaller than the pocket. And then on the front page, or on the back of each page, is the same large pocket. And each page has some kind of photo mats or booklets in it. Your second page design is a large double flap. And that goes up. In the top flap there is a tuck spot. And the bottom flap is plain. Plenty of room for pictures on this large mat here, and then one at the bottom here, and then of course room for journaling, and then more photos if you wanted something smaller up here. So as you're looking at this, just think of the potential for your little ones to be able to interact with this album without tearing it up, and it's still fun to look at. Another large pocket on the back here. And 2 flaps. Of course there's room for journaling, pictures, sketches, whatever you want in there. Some nice stories. And then this side has a double flap diagonal pocket. So it opens like this. And there's a large place for a photo. A place for a smaller photo over here. The same with the front if you'd like. And then on this bottom diagonal flap is a pocket in the back and a pocket in the front. And then again with the large photo mats here. Sorry, my dog just found a squeaky toy. Okay, so the sound may go intermittently in and out because the dog found a squeaky toy. And every time I start talking, she is going to squeak the squeaky toy. Because that's what she has to do. And then the fourth page design is this centuplet flap, these small 2.5-inch flaps, to hide a little photo under here, or some journaling, or just a cute story. And that is all the pages. And now we're going to repeat, with the exception of I have the diagonal pocket and the centuplet flap mixed in this in this part of the album. And the reason is because I wanted to match my papers, my paper colors. If you notice, after I get done here, I'll flip through really quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But I was going with a different color theme, and I didn't have enough of that color theme to carry me through that that flat page, so I just switched the colors out. Use the 3x4 cut aparts and the 4x4 and the 4x6 cut aparts. That doesn't go in there. And then the 2.5 by 2.5 cut aparts also. I think I used one of each, but there was a lot, so it's hard saying. When you get to these mats that are further back, if you put the page straight up and down, they slide right in. It's just because they're bowed that they don't want to slide in. Okay, here's the flat page. Super cute images on these little cut aparts. I love the snowman. That one's just a mat that's laid out a little bit different. And then your pocket, your diagonal pocket fold. Okay, and then I left the back plain also, so that you would have plenty of room. I just put little Santa here because I couldn't help myself. And there you go. There's your album. Now, real quick, I wanted to flip through and show you guys what I meant about the colors. Every time you flip through, you can see that each page has a color theme. And when it's like that, it just makes me happy. So you can definitely see what the color is on each page. Okay, so there is my design team project for Country Craft Creations, and this is the large mini album for tiny hands with the photo play Here Comes Santa collection. And I appreciate everybody for watching. There will be a tutorial for this. It will start going up Sunday, and it will be up no later than the end of it, because there's more than one part, will be up no later than Wednesday, hopefully. So be on the lookout for that. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below. I appreciate everybody for watching, and have a wonderful night. Thanks again. Bye-bye.